Lenyanja or Chinyanja Part 2. In this episode, we're going to talk about personal and possessive pronoun. Let's start with personal pronouns. Ine means me or I. Iwe means you. Eve, him or her. Yeve, it. Ise, us. Imwe, you for both plural and formal. Veve, them for both plural and formal. Examples: Inenikonda banana. I like or love bananas. Or you can just say Nikondama banana, which is short. Iwe ndiwe wabwino. You are beautiful. Or ndiwe wabwino. Ise tienda kunyumba. We are going home. Or tienda kunyumba. Nieve, it's him or her. Yeve ni abwino. It's beautiful. Or ni abwino. Muri bangati imwe. How many are you? Or muri bangati. Ni beve, it's them. Now let's move on to possessive pronouns. Yanga means mine. Yako means yours. Yake, his or hers or its. Yatu, ours. Yanu, yours for both plural and formal. Yawo, theirs for both plural and formal. Now let's move on to examples. Phone yanga, my phone. Motoka yako, your car. Njinga yake, his or her bicycle. Nyumba yatu, our house. Motoka yanu, your car for both plural and formal. Table yabo, their table for both plural and formal. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.